Baby, miss me? I miss you. I'm back.
Wanted to check in before I went to sleep. I just got home. It's like 11:30. Well, I probably got home 30 minutes ago. It's the 1st, November 1st, so I got clips and all of that from this past weekend. I'm tired. But this is an update on my microblading. This is how it looks. My lashes, they held on pretty okay, I'm gonna say that. But I got a hybrid to begin with. Anyway, I just came to close out this vlog. Tomorrow's gonna be a new vlog. Honestly, I don't know. I just realized that I never actually come on here to close out vlogs, so I'm closing this one out, and I will talk to y'all tomorrow. Good morning. So it's the next day. I showered. My throat hurt a little bit. Like, it feels like it's itchy and I keep coughing, but my throat hurts, so I made some tea. It's just mint tea and green tea, so I hope that's good, but anyway, I started working. The only thing I'm gonna probably do today is I have to finish up my PowerPoint for my presentation. Since I got feedback finally and I was able to update it, so I sent my new advisor my final proposal, and we're doing a dry run this Friday on my presentation. So today I need to finish my presentation. Tomorrow I'm going to go over it myself and like ask myself questions that they might ask me. Thursday I'm going to go over it again myself. And on Friday is when I'm going over it with my advisor. I want to also submit my final proposal to the School of Community Health by Thursday. I'm looking at a calendar. By Thursday, so I'm going to email my advisor just to confirm that I should go ahead and send it to them so that they can give me an actual date on when I have to defend. But yeah, that's all I'm doing today. I'm just working on my PowerPoint. Y'all, I'm so dizzy. I don't know what it is. I mean, not dizzy, nauseous. Like, I don't know. So hopefully this tea will calm it down. It's hot.
I took a test there a while ago.
Yeah, the convention center is...
recently started. I'm sorry.
Go ahead. I'm sorry.
I was saying, I just recently started. Like, I woke up this morning, I couldn't smell anything, I can't taste anything, even though I am vaccinated.
Yeah, that's how I feel this morning. I don't know if you can hear my voice. But, yes, the convention center is still doing testing. Today they're doing it from 8 a.m. to 3:30 p.m.
Okay, well, I'm never going to run up there and you say I don't have to make your appointment. I can just...
I did a sew-in. I low-key want to take it out. I was going to keep it in because my friend, she's turning 30 she's having her 30th birthday event this Saturday. But I feel so bad. I feel so horrible. And like, I need to put on a mask to go downstairs real quick. And I need to look up where I can go get tested. So I started feeling bad on Sunday. So Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. So if anything, I should be quarantined until Tuesday and not going anywhere and being in people's faces until Wednesday, because that will be day 11. But anyway, I still want to go get tested just in case. But I feel terrible. Earlier I was telling y'all that I was going to continue my cleanse, which I am, because y'all saw that I was 153 pounds. Before that, when I weighed myself, I was like 162. I wasn't weighing myself for anything because I'm trying to get under 160, so that helped. And that was over a course of like a month. So I was 153. I think I'm trying to get to 145 by like the second week of December. I am going to New York for my other friends. She's turning 29, so she wants to go to New York. So I'm gonna go, but I want to be 145 when I go, because I want my clothes to fit a certain way, and the color, the theme is blue, so I just want to look bomb. Like, I want to be 145. So just for reference, I'm 5'6", well 5'5"3/4", so I'm rounding it to 5'6". I'm 153 pounds. I wear a medium, I guess. I wear a medium. Yeah. Go in the shower.
Everywhere I go,